I'm Mayanne.
And I'm Emily.
And we're Discover Teas. Today we're talking about a fun way to enjoy tea that you can try at home.
Tea ice cream.
You may have seen green tea ice cream or Earl Grey ice cream at restaurants or at ice cream shops, but it's easier to make at home than you think.
So we're going to go over easy ways to turn your tea into a frozen treat, whether or not you have an ice cream maker.
If you have an ice cream maker, steep the tea in your dairy base, strain out the leaves, and follow your favorite ice cream recipe as usual.
If you're using matcha to make a classic green tea ice cream, instead of steeping, whisk your matcha thoroughly into your milk mixture, dairy or non-dairy, then continue with the recipe.
No ice cream maker? No problem. You can make an ice cream like semifreddo instead by double brewing a cup of tea, whisking it into sweetened condensed milk, mixing it with whipped heavy cream and freezing.
Another option for if you can't have dairy like me is to make a tea sorbet. Just double brew hot batch through a hot tea, add sugar to taste, and freeze it in an ice cream maker or shallow tray, stirring with a fork about every half hour or so.
If all of this is a little bit more time consuming than you'd like, try a tea twist on the popular Italian affogato, a combination of ice cream and espresso.
Just pour a few tablespoons of your favorite tea over a scoop of your favorite ice cream, then eat quickly to savor the contrasting textures and temperatures.
Hopefully this helped you consider a new way to enjoy your favorite tea.
For measurements, flavor suggestions, and more ideas, contact us at facebook.com/discoverteas or hello@discoverteas.com.
You can also call or text us at 757-847-5190 with your tea questions or to book a free private tea consultation.
Until next time, I'm Emily.
And I'm Mayanne.
And remember,
ice cream.
You scream.
Tea also screams for ice cream. Ah!